guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time where you see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. So Dimitri Berbatov will be one of the former EPL players and one of the football pundits out there. So Babacom Komasakon predicts waiting will sub for the match between Arsenal and Burnley, where they go play for the Emirates Stadium today. So Babacom of the opinion say Arsenal need a very strong response from what's happening against Newcastle. So in the predict say Arsenal will win 3-0 for today's match, because he feels say Arsenal get a lot of talent, a lot of firepower. We go overwhelm and overpower this Burnley team. Burnley are the second highest team. We don't get the lowest shots on goal. Lowest, like I think the lowest goal scored in the EPL this season. Like they're not really the better, and the mistake where they make, they think say the way they play for the championship, where they use tiki taka outpower all the championship teams, they're gonna carry that same mentality come here. But you know go be the same, because this is a higher cadre in the hierarchy of leagues in England. So you can't compare the quality of the championship and the EPL. So now what's going to affect them? They're supposed to even buy more players, but it is what it is. They are one of those that don't predict already, saying that they go first go relegation. Then we Sheffield United and Luton. So we'll just watch as things go. Me, for me, my own prediction self now it's similar in the light of this 3-0, because I don't really talk and say no normal circumstances. One is supposed to come and pack and go out, guys, carry and they go, because then we Sheffield United, what will be the difference? Alright, so the match where Arsenal will play against Burnley today, so the match will be say on paper it is like an easy match. But many people go say CHUKS, no money for uptown for the EPL, say John go down match, but we'll just see. So we check the head-to-head over with Burnley, the last 5 games. We don't play for the Emirates Stadium. So Arsenal win 3, draw 1, lose 1. So I know say the games we don't play in the past, Burnley were a different side, physical, imposing, all those James Tarkowski, all those guys senior men, really very bullish, but now they don't get all those people again. So now it will be very easy. So and then they don't really play 10 men behind the ball. They let them come outside, express themselves. And when Arsenal catch all those kind of teams, say they like to come outside, express themselves. They like to chop out. But our own side, where would they get issue? And maybe whether Bukayo Saka go play, whether Odegaard, I don't think saying go even play. Then whether Keita go play. So these are where we get some issues. So we never really know. Now when we see the lineup, like 1 hour before the game, we can't know okay who will start. But the lineup will start for the last match. I don't think say that last lineup bad. It makes sense. So we'll just watch how our midfield makeup will be. Alright, so the IFAB will be one of the authorities will be responsible for the VAR and the football rules for the EPL. So their CEO don't come aside, come and talk, say it will take 10 years, up to 10 years for VAR errors, VAR inconsistencies to be wiped out, to be taken out. So for that reason, when they ask Ateta about the media set to say, Baba, see what say IFAB chairman talk about the VAR, what's be your own response? I think I'm going to say 10 years is a long time. They say 10 years, maybe you don't get bald hair now. Say 10 years, who know where you go dey? Maybe the rules of football don't even change by then. Well, the team is saying they try as of now, present tense, but they find what they will do to fix some of all these errors, because nobody really get time to wait for 10 years. And I like the fact that the EPL, the reason say they want like scrap this Hawkeye, with the responsible for the VAR operators, the software that they use. So they need other companies to pitch in their own hardware and software. We'll see whether it will help us take care of all these VAR inconsistencies. All these errors the VAR don't get now. Now be those errors we want other companies come pitch, say they will fix, because in this day and age 2023, VAR will come outside and say they don't have a camera angle to see something. For that reason, that issue where they check is inconclusive. Come on, you don't need to be hearing anything inconclusive. Every decision when I want to make supposed to be conclusive. So that's the way it's supposed to be. Alright, David Raya agent, so they call Juventus. Come and let everybody know. Say people know they are aware. Say 2021, Arsenal contact Brentford, say they won't sign David Raya, but Brentford say they don't sell under any amount. So Arsenal will settle for Aaron Ramsdale. Like Arsenal took the easy way out. They're going to settle for Aaron Ramsdale. So fast forward to when Raya can be available. Why is he available? Because he get 1 year left on his contract and they give a contract extension, he no extend that. Brentford no come get choice. That was why Arsenal can't go back for him. So it at least use that logic to understand why Arteta they place Raya as number one, because now Raya being first choice from the beginning, because they know if you get him, they can't go for the lesser option. So Baba they try to explain why it gets that they use Raya. So it make people know they give Raya too much sticks and flack, they just free the guy, make the guy rest. But I don't think that's really the reason why people they give Raya flack. Why did they give Raya some flack and complaints? That because in coming to replace somebody and in no con they do better than that person. Instead con they do errors when the person you want to replace they do. So ideally, logically, people will revolt and say, you will be say you want to replace somebody, can you do worse than the person or do the same thing the person they do? So how are you a replacement? That is the bone of contention. No be really why we buy or say they buy Raya. No. If they say Raya come in and they do very well, no give any error, no do anything, nobody will really complain. Everybody will see obvious and say, this guy Auburn they do very well. Alright, so away from that, so Juventus don't meet the representatives of Calvin Phillips to discuss on the transfer. So if this happens, what will be the fate of Thomas Partey? Because Thomas Partey they look say he would like to join Juventus. But the thing is, Juventus are missing two midfielders. Maybe they will look for two midfielders and not one. If that be the case, then Thomas Partey is in good hands. But if that not be the case, Saudi Arabia said I go even prefer me go Saudi Arabia because now they go pay the most money. Juventus they call the price anyhow now, but Saudi Arabia all day now they will just come bust everywhere. Alright, so Graham Saunes come as I call it, don't say don't hear about this Newcastle Arsenal matter. Say Ingas put your mouth. Come talk say anybody when they come outside they think say that Newcastle goal was a goal. In fact, you don't know football because VAR is a technology from hell, you get, for the referees, because VAR was brought in to make the lives of the referees better. But now the reverse is the case. VAR gonna make their life a nightmare, you get. So for that reason, they for part of those when they talk about the scrap VAR. So in the talk say make them update, like make them educate the operators very well, so that they will feel they interpret things well. And it be part of those when they claim also make former players join the VAR room, so that they will feel they interpret, they help them with the interpretation. Because you never play ball before, you feel they affect your logic, you get. And within Grand Saones they talk, but it is what it is. Someone just leave out the matter. Now Troy Deeney also come out and talking for him. Say make they just scrap VAR, make they just scrap and make they no use them again. Say VAR is causing more harm than good. Me, I don't subscribe to that line of thought, because the truth is VAR is causing more good, yes, than harm. But the problem is say the little pocket of errors when they make, they huge and people go blow them out of proportion. Okay, so that's the major issue. VAR is not the problem. VAR is a technology. The problem is the people with the operator and the VAR operators. Now them is the problem. Now them, their interpretation level need to be raised high. You get. So now where the issue dey. And for the fact say they don't get enough camera angles, which means there are not enough cameras for VAR to use to implement to do their work. Now there be another issue. So when they add more cameras, get. Because what's the point of having Hawkeye? Hawkeye is supposed to be something we say they overhead, they oversee everything. You get. So which time you say you don't call they see this angle. Come on, that's fine. Alright, so the PGMOL don't come outside, they do adverts, and then they find new VAR officials. Get. So this one I seen the report this morning. It came as a surprise because don't say the Premier League managers they did a meeting. So they are I think it was the executive CEO Congo report what they talk for the meeting to the PGMOL and IFAB. Them say then they suggest say make each referee unit, because a referee unit, like for example now maybe Mike Oliver now he gets in front officials, get people to follow and they do officiating. So the moment they add a VAR operator, he gets a VAR specialist, making them part of that team. So that any match when Michael Oliver will officiate, now all that team will follow and go everywhere. So that communication will be very, very easy. They will get that bonding, you get within themselves, understand themselves better. Don't be say Michael Oliver will come today, now Satus will be a VAR operator. Tomorrow if you do another match, now Baba Sato, next tomorrow, now guy Emmanuel. It's supposed to be only Satus go the day with Michael Oliver any day, anywhere when they go. Now because VAR does not have enough staff, so now they can't do advert, which means they want to implement that idea, you get, for seamless communication. So now they don't throw the advert out, you get, for people when they eligible, you get, people that can take decisions under pressure. Like I read the requirements, someone do smart, so now they won't hire many hands. And they talk say you don't need to know about the VAR computer or anything. They will teach you, no worry. But the thing is say ability to think critically under pressure, because remember I said when you do your work, all thousands of fans, everybody they wait for you. You get, so the pressure is there, mad pressure. You get, and you know but won't do mistake. So that's what it just be. Alright, so David Moyes also come as I come to say see me that they allow manager to talk their mind without fear of retribution, without fear of fine or anything. Like after match don't finish, if manager come for the press conference and the journalist going to ask and say, Baba, how you take see the match? The manager should have the courage, to criticize a referee. Anything they feel say they bad, but they feel criticize that referee. But these days, so people they afraid of talking. Say him now. Many times people say things don't go wrong for the field of play. You know go fit talk, but because Arteta is a young manager, he has that enthusiasm, courage, boldness. He can feed us young mind. You get talk as the anything happen say. You get, so the kind of way Arteta talk that thing, no be plenty managers go fit come as I talk say the way referee blow. Say it is disgraceful. It is this one. It is embarrassment. Don't be everybody if you talk am. But that is actually the way to go. You can say make managers get that lack of fear. Come outside, talk your mind, and may nothing happen. So that's the way to go. Like what you right they talk. Why can't we critique the referees? Are they beyond criticism? Alright, another tool one again, I'll be saying the semi-automatic offside technology, which is called CHUKS, will be introduced next season as football lawmakers. The reason how they will do the VAR overhaul, you get all this thing now because of the way Mikel Arteta they blast the PGMOL and the referees. So Mikel Arteta is now the catalyst. Now be the faucet origo of all these problems. You get, so he don't talk. As he don't talk, many managers said don't back up. You get, in fact, the managers association don't do their own meeting. Talk say this VAR needs to be overhauled. What consists clear and obvious error? You need to simplify it. Explain it to us, make we know how it go. So next season is going to be a banger. We are expecting some changes to how footballing rules will be and how the VAR, whether not the Hawkeye will still use, maybe another technological company, we never really know. We'll just go watch. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all last now update as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.